Hi guys, welcome back to it. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So namhlanje we're gonna dive deep into Married at First Sight. Yo guys, if you can Landuka expiry date for these contestants. Actually contestants zakhona. They've been touring iLanduki podcast. Yo guys, ngoxa sendibonela weza yakhona. Once you're Married at First Sight, skip gege. They are doing too much. No man guys, masifumaneni a new show or something esingathetha ngayo, not this Married at First Sight. Okoko ngabantu bayi-1 nguMakoto, Kuleko, Alisa, Tshepo. Oh okay, and then the other thing, uNto uTshepo uye waluza umsebenzi ngenxa ye-exposure yakhe ku-Married at First Sight, which is it serves him right. It serves him right, correct. Because umjita asha le ndlela beziportray ngayo okanye lo muntu ebemdlala ba unguye ku-show, he didn't win he didn't portray the guy ebefuna ukuyiportraya, because it came all wrong ebantwini kwi-viewers. So yilona guys, that's my piece ngale Married at First Sight. I even saw ilantuka yakhona i-expect yakhona kubana sisina professional yakhona ngithabanga. So naye wenza i-interviews about this Married at First Sight. Yo saze sasha nkosi yami, saze savuthwa ku-Married at First Sight. Bye guys, I will see you to my next upload.